Hi, and welcome to Graphic Zoo. My name is Rosie, and I'm one of the co-founders of the company. I wanted to take out some time today to walk you through how awesome our service is. So, to get started, what is Graphic Zoo? We are a reliable, flat-rate graphic design agency. We house a team of expert designers who can pretty much function as your in-house graphic design team so you can focus on different matters of your business. Okay, so let me talk to you a little bit about our process. Our process is super simple. So when you sign up for our service, you get assigned an account manager. Now that account manager will work with you day in and day out. They'll take out time to learn about your business, the design needs that you have, and your design style overall. Based on that, they'll assign a dedicated designer to your account. Now, rest assured, we get it. Design can be super subject to taste. And so for that reason, our process is pretty fluid. Your account manager will pretty much stay the same, but depending on your graphic design needs, we may or may not change your designer based on the project you need and things of that sort. So our overall turnaround time on most projects is 1 to 2 business days. Now, when I say project, that could pretty much mean a few different things. Now, a few social media designs may be a project, a web design may be a project. So depending on what you're putting in the pipeline, your account manager will tell you about the turnaround time, they'll manage your expectations and always keep you up to date on the expected date for your projects. Each dedicated designer for your account will do about 1 to 2 projects a day, and you can pretty much scale that to your needs. So if you do need additional output, you can always add additional dedicated designers to your account, and we'll do what we can to meet the output needs that you have. So now I want to take out some time to walk you through our dashboard. So once you sign up for our services, you get access to a dashboard that looks similar to this. The first thing I recommend for you to do when you come onto your dashboard is to go ahead and create your brand profile. The great thing about this is that when you're submitting projects to our design team, you can actually link the brand profile to the actual project request, so then the design team knows which brand we're working for. So go ahead and click here to add a new brand profile and drop in as much information as you have. Now, if you don't have enough information or if there's something that's left empty here, don't worry about it. We can always design projects for these brands. And as we complete those designs, you can drop them in here so your brands are always linked with the designs that we've completed for you. Once you've dropped in and created the different brand profiles you have, next I recommend is to create your team. So if you have other users on your team that will be managing the platform for you or will be managing specific brands for you, go ahead and add them as team members. Like I mentioned, you can always limit their permissions. You can limit them to a specific brand or their abilities of what they can and can't do on the system. So once you set up your brand profiles in your teams, let's go back to the projects page and see how to submit your requests. So to submit a request is super simple. Click on Create Project and go ahead and drop in the information for this project. Select a unique title so it's easier for you to search these titles or search the project once they're completed. Select the category that this project relates to. So if you want, you can go ahead and search for a category, click on the main category and then the subcategory. Click Next. This is where you link the brand profile. So if you've already created a brand profile, you can link it here. If you don't have a brand profile related to this project, no worries, you don't have to click something. For the design dimensions, go ahead and specify the dimensions you want for this project. If you are unsure of the design dimensions, your design team can assist you with this based on the information that you provide or the instructions that you give. And if you want project deliverables aside from the source files that we're going to provide anyway, you can go ahead and define those in this section. Next, go ahead and give the instructions for your project. Now, this area is actually really important. The more information you give, the better it is. So I always recommend anything that comes to the mind for your project, go ahead and write it down in this section. And as always, go ahead and put in as many reference images and links that you have. So in this area, you can go ahead and drop in any of the images you have, anything you want us to use on your design itself, or anything that you think will help us get closer to your finalized product. You can also use our stock library. So what we've done is we've actually partnered with a few different stock image companies. You can search for a specific stock image here, or again, in your instructions, you can tell your design team that you're looking for a specific stock image and they can assist you with this piece as well. Click Next, review the summary of your project, hit Submit, and there you go. The project has been submitted. Now, depending on what you have already on your dashboard and what's already ongoing, this project will either go into progress or it will go into queue. For any project that's in queue, you will have the ability to change the priority on that project. So if you sit down one day and put all your projects in and wish to go ahead and change the priority or the order that we will work on those projects, you can do so by clicking on the project priority drop down here. Now, once your design team completes a project, you will receive an email that tells you that your design has been completed. So go ahead, once you see this tab over here that says design ready for review, click on the project to open it up. And once this project, you'll see a flag over here that tells you the latest design. click on View, and this is where you can use our interactive revisions tool to tell us if you want any revisions. The tool is pretty neat. You can pretty much click anywhere on here and tell us exactly what changes you need to get done and where you need to get them done. This way, there's no communication gap between you and the design team. If you want to give additional comments, you can also do so by posting those comments here and also adding any additional attachments that you wish. Now, this is also where you can use our share feature. Our share feature is pretty cool. If you want to share this project or this design version with anyone, you can click on the share. You can click on share via link, and this will automatically generate a unique link for this project, or you can share via email by dropping in the name and email address of the individual you wish to share this project with. So once this is done, our system is pretty automated. So once you give us a comment, your status will automatically change from pending review to revision. Your design team will receive a note with the comments that you've given us, and they will quickly start working on those revisions for you. Once you are completely satisfied with the project, you can click here to download the project, and you can hit approve, and that will go ahead and move this project into the completed tab. And there you go. If you ever need to access any of your completed projects, you can go to the completed tab, and all the projects we've done for you will be here. Lastly, I want to show you one more piece. Now, we do have the option to white label our service. Basically, what this allows you to do is pick up our entire software and make it your own. You can add your branding, make this your customer-facing software, and have GraphicZoo function as your in-house design team. The configuration of all of that is done in the white label settings. That's pretty much all for our project walkthrough. So next, let me quickly go over our different packages that we have available. So we have 3 different plans that are built to suit everyone from small businesses to large agencies. All 3 of our plans include unlimited designs, unlimited revisions, and also our brand profile features, dedicated designer, and an account manager. With our Business Unlimited plan, you get everything from the business plan. Alongside, you also get unlimited brand profiles and team members. You can also white label our option through this plan, which basically allows you to brand our entire software with your business look and feel. With our agency plan, which includes everything from our Business Unlimited plan, starts off with 2 dedicated designers that work during your daytime and allow you to get some advanced design types with an overall faster output. So whether you're a small business looking to get started with your design work or a large agency looking to scale up with your design team, we have plans that can fit your needs. Our team has worked with over thousands of brands with some of the top names in their industries. We have also completed 50,000 projects and received satisfaction ratings of 4.7 or higher on those. So if you're looking to hire an in-house graphic design team who will truly take the time to learn your business and provide you awesome designs day in and day out, GraphicZoo is the solution for you.